Volume Weighted Average Price (VWAP) is a trading indicator used by investors to determine the average price a security has traded at throughout the day, based on both volume and price. It is calculated by taking the sum of the price multiplied by volume for each transaction, then dividing that by the total volume of shares traded. This indicator is often used by institutional investors to assess whether they are buying or selling a security at a favorable price compared to the market average. By comparing the current price of a security to the VWAP, investors can determine if the security is trading above or below its average price for the day. This can help investors make more informed decisions on when to buy or sell a security, as well as identify potential trends in the market.